You can manage any previous support requests or raise a new support request from the dashboard. Simply click on the little mail icon where it says Contact Support. Now from here you'll see a list of any previous support requests. Because I'm logged in as me, it's showing my support requests. When you log in, you're going to see anything you have personally requested. So I'll make this clear. These are things that you've requested yourself, not the company. So each member of staff was going to get a different experience when they go in here. Now you can see these are things that I've asked for before. We can actually see the status here. So this is the current status of the ticket. Who this was raised by, it's always going to be myself. The category, ticket ID, and so on. Now, if you click into a specific support request, you're going to see any correspondence between yourself and the support team. So here you can see this ticket is currently assigned to Yana. It was raised by myself and the priority was listed as medium. The last response was this one. If I scroll back, you'll see previous responses with the support team listed below. Now the status will be changed to closed once the ticket has been dealt with. Until that point, it's likely to be in an in progress or new state. If you want to request something new, then you can tap the Submit Ticket button and fill out the form with the nature of your issue. This will go straight into the support team's queue and someone will acknowledge it, and then it will be listed in that list that I showed you before. So you'll be able to keep tabs on exactly where that support request is at. I just want to mention that to make our support team's life easier, we always ask that you raise different support tickets for different issues. Try to bundle them up as best you can. This means that things don't get lost or tucked away in another support ticket. You don't want to just keep replying and replying and replying. If there's something new you want to ask, we'll close that support request off and then ask you to raise a new one with the details. That also means that the title can be very descriptive of the problem you're having. So for example, one day I might be having some image upload issues and the title can reflect that. Another day I might want some template changes to a specific template. And again, the title is going to remain accurate as long as I don't keep chaining things on. Now you can go into this support dashboard anytime you want and you can add various filters using the drop downs here, or you can search for your tickets for things that you know you've previously raised. They might also contain attachments, which you can see here. So if you've attached something to the ticket when you raised it, then that's going to be part of the support request. Now the support requests shown here might have been requested through the dashboard using the submit ticket like I showed you just before, or they could have come in through email. If you've emailed support@flowmobile.app, then they will go to our support team and likewise will get picked up in this list. Or if you've telephoned in, then our support operative will summarize the nature of that call and they'll raise a support request on their side. Again, it'll get added to this list. The main thing is that everything is in one place for you to keep track of so you can see exactly where things are up to. So just to recap, you can manage your previous support requests from the dashboard by clicking on that mail icon. That will take you into this page where you can see any previous requests listed. Whenever you email support or you contact us by telephone or you request support through the dashboard, like I showed you earlier, they will go into this list. And this list helps you keep track of exactly what's going on with your previous requests. The status of the support request will change as the life cycle of that support request changes. But ultimately, you can see exactly what's going on from here.